Did you know that green sea turtles mostly stay near coastlines and islands and live in bays and protected shores? They have a pretty wide range for where they can be spotted, but generally speaking, about 1,500 miles north and south of the equator. Spotted on the island of Kauai, it's rare to see green sea turtles resting on land like this group. Typically, females come ashore for nesting every 2 years. These incredibly strong swimmers use their paddle-like flippers to glide through the ocean. Hawaiians refer to green sea turtles as Honu and is seen as a symbol of good luck and longevity. And while they're quite a common sight in Hawaii, it's estimated that their population worldwide is only between 85 and 95,000 nesting females. For a long time they were hunted for eating by humans and are still a regular meal for tiger sharks. Today, threats to their survival come from harvesting of their eggs as food, and most people are familiar with the effects that commercial fishing has on their mortality. The fatty tumors on this green sea turtle appear to be the result of tightly wrapped fishing string. Internationally, these giants are seen as endangered by the Union for Conservation and Nature and Natural Resources. As one of the largest species of sea turtles in the world, adults can weigh between 240 and 420 pounds. Their diet changes throughout their life. From 8 to 10 inches, they eat worms, crustaceans, aquatic insects, grasses, and algae. After they pass the 10-inch mark, they mostly stick to seagrass and algae. Their jaws are finely serrated, so tearing through vegetation is easy, and some have been spotted eating jellyfish and sponges. The name green sea turtle comes from the green layer of fat that is found under their shell. Researchers believe the color of their fat comes from their mostly green diet. If you've learned anything from this video, please hit the like button and we hope you consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.